If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city. I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend.
Welcome to Beam Squad. Today I am unboxing the new SteelSeries headphones. Let's start it. Okay. Here we are. This is the SteelSeries Arctis 1 headphones for gaming. Let's see the packaging. It's for PlayStation, PC, Xbox and Switch. I have a microphone. Yes. For glory. Yeah, it's pretty nice packaging. Let's unbox. It's here. Nice for glory. Really nice packaging. SteelSeries. Okay. Here we are. It's a new SteelSeries headphones. Let's take a microphone. It's pretty small for my hand. Micro port and headphones. That. Little deal. Okay, these headphones are so compact. These materials are soft, very soft. Inside is the blue color, just like that. For PlayStation, of course. There is the microphone port. Like that. There's a cable. Of course, this is our wired, not wireless. The micro cable. There is a button for mute and unmute and scroll. There's the SteelSeries logo on the side. There are rotation and like this. These headphones are is very good for the price. I think the price is $60. I think. Yes, it's a pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.